Samsung home entertainment experience and relentless innovative drive, combined with Harman Kardon's 65+ years of acoustic design expertise, bring you the ultimate home theater sound. Samsung Soundbar Q90R. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Three front plus two side firing channels. Deep bass provided by a dedicated woofer. Two wireless rear sound speaker kits with two up-firing channels. And two additional front up-firing channels maximize the surround sound effect. All these support Dolby Atmos and DTS:X sound formats, providing a richer, more cinematic surround sound experience at home. The evolution of soundbar technology didn't just stop at audio development. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Wireless TV connection via Wi-Fi avoids the clutter of unnecessary wires for a clean, sophisticated look that's simple to operate. One remote for both your TV and soundbar at the same time. Game Mode Pro automatically activates when your game console is turned on. Up-firing speakers provide rich, optimized 3D sound for more exciting, immersive gameplay on your QLED. Adaptive sound automatically adjusts to optimal sound settings for sports, movies, and all other types of content you watch on your QLED. And when you need to watch TV quietly at low volume, dialogue can still be heard clearly.
Comment! You're on your own, don't die!
Seamless HDR 10+ experience in immersive picture quality and rich, captivating sound for a truly next-generation viewing experience. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Samsung Soundbar Q90R.